Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Scholars. Today we are going to discuss about most important geography one-liner for all competitive exams like SSC, Railways, ASO, OSSC, OSSC and all state exams. So let's get started. Sahara is located in which part of Africa? So the answer is Northern. The temperate grassland of North America are known as, so the answer is Prairies. The strait that connect Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea, the answer is Suez Canal. The canal which links Atlantic Ocean with Pacific Ocean, so the answer is Panama Canal. The world's largest island is, so the answer is Greenland. The largest delta of the world is, answer is Sunderban Delta. What is referred to as roof of the world? So the answer is Pamir Knot. The longest river of the world. So the answer is Nile River. The equatorial forest of Amazon basin in South America are known as, so the answer is Selva. The dark continent is, the answer is Africa. Leading producer of fries in the world, the answer is China. Which country is known as the land of thousand lakes? The answer is Finland. Largest freshwater lake in world, so the answer is Superior Lake. Which is a landlocked sea? So the answer is Aral Sea. Black forests are found in, so the answer is Germany. Leading producer of aluminium in world, so the answer is USA. Many of active volcanoes are present in, so the answer is Pacific Ocean. Source of river Nile is, answer is Lake Victoria. Which is called land of rising sun, so the answer is Japan. Sunda strait lies between, so the answer is Java and Sumatra. Thank you for watching this video. Please to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.